MyLookie.com, the revolution in SMS direct marketing. Once you have logged into your account, click on the My Lookies tab. Then select the lookie you want to edit and click the Edit button. Here, you can edit your lookie information, your SMS text message, and add or delete images. Start with your lookie information. Here are all the fields that you can change. For example, here, modify the price of the house. After each change, we recommend to click on the Save button. Then, in the Text Message tab, you can customize the SMS message sent to potential buyers. Abbreviations are recommended to shorten messages. You can also use MyLookie.com to share links to other websites or your Facebook page. Here, modify the message and click on Save. By clicking on the pictures, you can add images by clicking on the button Browse. You select one or multiple photos to add and click Open. Then click Upload. After upload, click on Save. Once changes are completed and saved, visualize your lookie and see that changes are properly applied. It's as simple as that. MyLookie.com. Information at your fingertips.